Welcome to once again ABES Engineering College. This is subject of object-oriented programming with Java, and this is unit number 2. This topic is byte streams, character streams, and reading and writing files in Java. My name is Tarun Kumar Gautam, Assistant Professor in CSCDS. Okay, let's start. Here we will discuss the byte streams and character streams. What is the difference between byte streams and character streams? In Java stream, streams are used for input and output operation by allowing the data to be read from and write to the source and destinations. It means Java के अंदर input and output operation only allowing by the data to be read and write to source or destination. There are two types of stream for that. One is character stream, second is byte stream. What is a character stream? The character streams are designed to address the characters based records, which include textual records, inclusion of letter, digits, symbols, and other characters. This is called character streams. And these streams means character streams are represented by the way of training that consecutive phases the reader and writer of their name. Inclusion of the file readers, buffer readers, file writers, and buffered writers. They are representing by the reader, writers, file writers, buffer writers, file writers, and buffered writers. These are the names. In third parts, the character streams offers a conventional manner to read and write textual and contain primary based information due to the fact they mechanically manage the character encoding and decoding. And what is a byte stream? The byte stream are designed to deal with the raw binary data, which includes all kind of the data, includes the characters and pictures, audio and videos. Means जितना भी बाइनरी डेटा होता है हमारे पास, जैसे बाइनरी डेटा हमारे पास होता है, चाहे वो ऑडियो हो, चाहे वो वीडियो हो, चाहे वो पिक्चर्स हो, दिस आर कॉल्ड बाइनरी डेटा एंड डीलिंग विद द बाइनरी डेटा इज by through the byte stream. That was the first point. In second point, you can see that these streams are represented through the classes and create the word input stream, very important point, and output streams of their names along with their the input stream and buffer read input stream and file output streams and buffer output streams. Okay, means input stream and output stream is using this byte stream. In third part, byte stream offer the low stage interference for studying the writing characters, bytes and blocks of the bytes. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. They are normally used for coping with non-text statics, studying and writing the files of their binary from the running with network sockets. Java input output, important topic, basic part. Java input and output is used to process the input and produce the output based on the input. उसकी output क्या है, input के base पे ये बताता Java input output. Java use the concept of the stream to make input output operations fast. जब इसमें पैकेज होता है input output package, the Java input output package contain the all class required for the input output operations. Means input का काम हो चाहे output का काम हो, they all are in the package. This is called java.io package. ठीक है जी, this is called Java input output package containing the all class requirement for the input and output operations. What is a stream? The stream is a sequence of the data, as you know. In the Java, stream is composed of the bytes. It is called by streams because it's like the streams of the water that continue to flow. First part. Second part, in Java, 3 streams are created for us automatically. All these streams are attached with the console. कह रहे कि हमारे पास 3 तरह की हमारे पास streams होती हैं. The streams is a sequence of the data. You can see that the 3 type of stream. First is system.out. Second is system.in. Third is system.er. Means first for output stream, OS. Second of input stream, IS. Third is the error stream, ES. These are the 3 console of the streams. Now see, you can see the code to print output and error message to the console. First, system.out.print in simple message. system.er.print in error message. For error message, you will use er.printin. For simple message, you will use out.print.in. Now, हम इसे पढ़ते हैं जरा इसको आसानी से एक बार. Output stream. The Java application use an output stream to write the data to destination. It may be the file or array and devices and sockets. That's called output stream. But in the case of the input stream, the Java application use an input stream to read data from the source. ये source है, हमें इससे कोई data read करना है तो हम use करेंगे input stream. और अगर हमारे पास write करना है तो we will use output streams. Okay, means output stream for the write data and input stream for the read data from the source. It may be file, it may be array, it may be devices, it may be sockets. First, ठीक. Now you can see the picture and easily understand the working of the Java output streams and input stream by using this picture. You can see that this picture is divided into three parts. First is source, first part. Second part is Java application. Third part is destination. In the source and Java application, we are using read. And Java application to destination, we are using write. And read is used by the input stream and write is done by the output stream. In the source, they can be file, they can be console, they can be sockets, and same they can for the destination. The file, source, and sockets. So these are the destination. The source to Java application to destination. Read is the intermediate state of the source and Java application. Write is an intermediate state of the Java application and destination. Input stream is a work for the read and output stream is a work for write. Okay. Now see the output stream class. The output stream class is an abstract class and it is a super class of all the class. It's super class of all the class represents the output stream by the bytes. First thing. Second thing, output stream concept output bytes and send them to the sumlink. There are some method and description given in some table. First is public void write throws input output exceptions. It is used to write and byte to current output stream. Second thing is the public void write IO exceptions. It is write to array the byte of current output. Third is void flush. The flush is the current output stream. The fourth is the void close. Input output exceptions. It is used to the current output stream. Second thing. So these are the methods for the output stream: write, flush, and close. You can see this picture showing the methods in detail. The output stream, file output stream, first thing. Byte array output stream, third thing. Filter output stream, fourth. Piped output stream, fifth. Output stream, object output stream. Then the filter output stream divided into three parts: the data output stream, buffered output stream, and print stream. So you can see the complete picture of the output stream that's divided into the file output stream. First thing, byte array output stream, file output stream, piped output stream, object output stream. But further, the filter output stream we can divide it into three parts: data output stream, buffered output stream, and print stream. In the case of the input stream, you can see that input stream is abstract class and it is a super class of all class represent in the input stream of the byte. Input सारी क्लासों का represent अगर input करना है तो input stream है, अगर हमें output करना है तो output stream है. You can see the method and description for that. It is a public abstract in the read. Read the next byte of the data for the input stream and it return the -1 the end of the file. It return -1 अगर वो हमारे पास end of file है. ठीक है. Second thing is public int available input output exceptions. Return the estimate of the number of the byte can be read from the current input stream. Third thing is public void close. Close the current input stream. For the closing, so it's mean for the input stream we will use read. Second, available. Third, close. This will be the method. For the input stream, is the same as the given the picture. Complete picture. First is file input stream. Second is byte array input stream. filter input stream, sequence input stream, object input stream, piped input stream. The filter input stream also divided into three parts, the three type, the data input stream, buffered input stream, and pushback input stream. That is some different from the output stream. Okay. So this is a complete picture of the input stream and output stream. Now, file input stream and file output stream, the file handling. What is a file handling? It's mean input stream and file input stream and file output stream. That's all combination is called file handling. In Java, file input stream and file output stream, the classes are the used to read and write data in the file. First thing. In another word, they are used to file handling in the Java. First. Second thing, the Java file output stream. Java file output stream is the output stream for the writing the data to the file. Already discussed I have so many times. If you have to write up primitive values, then the file output stream we will use instead of the character oriented data. Prefer the file write, but you can write byte oriented as well as a character oriented data. You can see this example, the imports Java input output for writing and reading. The class name is called test. Public static voids main and string and argument. It's a type. File output stream for the call करता है new को. New file input output string and ABES text is a file name. File name है ABES text string or as Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite player. I want to write on that. The byte B is s dot get bytes and convert the string into the byte array, and f out dot write B, f out dot close से close करा, system dot out dot print success and catch exceptions हमारे पास क्या system output input errors, that is output is success. You can see the Java application f out and f dot text जो हमने लिखा था वो उसके अंदर f dot text पे आ जाएगा. Java input stream class, the Java input stream class obtain the input bytes from the file, and it is used to the writing streams of the raw bytes such as the image data for reading the streams of the characters. Consider using file reader. It should be used to read the byte oriented data, for example, read image, audio image, and video image. See the example, java.oi, the class simple read, public static void main strings given here, file input stream fin, new file input stream abc dot text. Int I is equal to 0 while I is equal to f dot read is not equal to -1 जब तक end में ना आ जाए. The system dot out dot print characters and f dot close and catch the exception is system out dot print dot in. Output Sachin is my favorite player. Okay, you can see that f text is input output and Java application it's a reading. Reading the data of the current Java file, writing into the another file. Same input output class C, public static void main strings given through the exceptions. File input streams, file new input file stream C dot Java. File dot output stream, the new output stream M dot Java. Int I is equal to 0 while I is equal to f dot in, reading the not equal to 1, the end of the file. F out dot write the byte and f dot close. We can read the data on the any file input stream, whether Java file and image, video and file, etc. These some reference you can take and give us some information. Thank you for the watching.